Saving with Shay. I'm here for my Walmart midweek haul for you. I'm repping my Pittsburgh hoodie today. Y'all know my oldest is in Pittsburgh. But listen, if you're new here and this is your first time seeing this lovely face right here, I am Shay with the Pow Pow. Definitely take a second and subscribe. Also, make sure you smash like, support your girl. So listen, I need 15 offers, y'all. So look, I was holding over all my receipts for yesterday because I did like a crap load of offers that I didn't think were gonna last. And and then I was thinking that it could count for the midweek as well. Now I heard that Ibotta stopped that a while ago, but I've never tried it to just to see if it worked and see if it's still working or not. And your girl failed miserably. It did not work. So your girl woke up today and I still needed 15 offers for $5. So I figured, why not? I'll be closer to knocking out the larger bonus, which would be really, really cool. And so I figured, hey, we'll just do 15 more offers. You know what I'm saying? If there's 15 to be gotten, right? I did do some of the chips on Joseph's account for Flavor Wiki. I finished all mine off yesterday. I'm hoping that they'll hit in the next couple days, which would be cool. They're so tedious, but so worth it in the end. We do have some new deals to share as well. And so I'm hoping I can get in and get out. And so with that being said, we're going to head over to Walmart. We're going to see what kind of awesome deals that we can grab today. If you want to see what your girl got, you already know what to do. Hit the like button and keep on watching.
So this first deal is on the Jiffy corn muffin mix. It's priced at 54 cents. When I scan it with the app, it says 50 cents though. Getting back 75 cents on Ibotta brings it down to a 25-cent money maker. All right, so we're gonna grab the Baker's Joy again. It's priced at $3.50. Using this $1 hang tag right there, you'll pay $6 and get back $6, making this absolutely free. I don't see the Takis that I need. I got this deal at a different store. It's on the Takis Intense Nacho. Looks like they're priced at $4.08, getting back $8 on Flavor Wiki. Makes it a $3.92 money maker. Okay, next up is the Tostitos. It's on the original restaurant style. They're priced at $4.48. For that, we're getting back $7 on Flavor Wiki, making that a $2.52 money maker. We're also grabbing the Sanitas, which is priced at $2.74. For that, we're getting back $6.50 on Flavor Wiki, making it a $3.76 money maker. And of course, we're also grabbing the Great Value tortilla chips as well. It's either the 12 ounce or 13 ounce, which is priced at $1.97. This one we're getting back $5.50, so it makes this a $3.53. All right, I know the Great Value nacho one is probably right in my face, but for some reason I don't see it. It looks like it's priced at $2.24, getting back $6 on Flavor Wiki, makes it a $3.76 in my maker. It's the Mercy. These are priced at $7.87. Now for this, I went ahead and maxed it out and grabbed a total of 4 of them. Paying $31.48 out of pocket, getting back a total of $8 on checkout 51, $12 on Upromise, and $5 on Ibotta. I also had an offer on Fetch Reward as well, spin offer. And so I got back a total of $4.20 from Fetch, making them only 57 cents each. So of course we're grabbing this deal again because it's just an easy deal, and I like easy deals that involve food. Can you feel me on that? So I'm maxing this deal out every time, grabbing 4 of them at $2.97, paying $11.88, getting back 3 on checkout 51, 8 on Upromise, making them only 22 cents each. All right, so I've been grabbing this deal on repeat, and it's been getting better and better. It's on the Swagbucks complete, price at $4.47. I've been maxing this deal out as well, grabbing 4 of them, paying $17.88, getting back 7 on checkout 51 and 8 on Upromise, making them only 72 cents each. I really wanted the blue one. I have to get this one, but I sell these, so it's all good. All right, so we're grabbing the Palmolive. I totally meant to grab this the last time in my last video, but I totally forgot. Definitely grabbing it today. They are priced at $2.82. For this, we're getting back $1.50 on Ibotta. Makes them $1.32 each with a limit of 2. All right, so I'm going to be grabbing the Purcell again. All right, they are priced at $5.44. But this, I'm using this $2 hang tag I found at Target. I'm going to bring it down to $3.44. Getting back 2 on Ibotta. Makes them $1.44. Here's on the Zycam. Now, they don't have the one that I got yesterday at this store. It's a double one. I think it's priced at $11.53 though. And so for this, I grabbed the one at $11.53. I'll pop up a picture of what it looks like. And then I also grabbed this one right here as well, priced at $10.98. So the 2 items is going to come to $22.51. We have a $5 offer for one, $4 offer for the other, plus a $1 bonus for buying 2. On checkout 51, we get back 4 with a limit of 1. And then on Upromise, we'll get back $8 for buying 2. It makes them only 25 cents each. Now I had another offer on Upromise for $4. Once the receipt cleared for the $8, I resubmitted it and the $4 went into review, so I'll let you guys know how that works. So this next deal is on the Airborne. I think this store is always stocked because it's on a case. The other store, they don't lock this section up. And so I did this deal yesterday. I wasn't sure if it was going to work out. Amy shared this deal with me, and so I figured, why not? I couldn't pass it up. So on the Airborne, this is the 21 count. It's priced at $8.37. This one is scanning for the $12 offer on the sister apps. If you're doing this deal, of course, it's a G word. They could fix it anytime, so always scan it before you buy it. So for this, I went ahead and maxed it out and grabbed 4. You'll pay $33.48. Getting back $24 on inbox dollars, $9 on Ibotta, and $8 on checkout 51. Now, once my receipt cleared for $12 on inbox dollars, I resubmitted for the other offer of $7 when you buy 2. And I got that back as well. So it made all 4 free plus a $21.52 moneymaker. I went ahead and did a set for Walmart Rewards as well. I'm going to be grabbing the Nivea. Now this is not actually scanning for Ibotta, and I actually put it into review or whatever, or I had the item checked and it still didn't work. So I'm not sure if I'm going to get that. I'm going to get it anyways, but I'll put a ticket in and see if I get credit for it. Anyways, it's priced at $4.77. Back $2 on checkout 51 and $2 on one of the sister apps would make it 77 cents. Now, if I do get back the $2 on Ibotta as well, it would make it $1.23 moneymaker. Okay, I'm also going to be grabbing the Eucerin Advanced Repair, again, priced at $9.97. Getting back 3 on Ibotta. 3 on checkout 51 and 3 on one of the sister apps, making that 97 cents. So I'm also grabbing the Vaseline as well. It's priced at $3.98. Grabbing one of them, getting back 2 on Ibotta, 1 on Fetch Rewards, makes it 98 cents. Ibotta is a limit of 2 and it has a timer, and Fetch Reward is a limit of 5. Are y'all tired of seeing this soft soap deal? Because I'm not tired of doing it. So I did it again. I went ahead and grabbed the peppermint one this time around. I grabbed a total of 4 of them at $5.97, paid $23.88, got back 6 on checkout 51, 10 on Upromise, making them $1.97 each. All right, so these last few deals are going to be Colgate deals. I wanted to try this deal and see if it's going to work since we had offers on checkout 51, sister apps, and Ibotta. So I grabbed the Colgate total right here. It's priced at $3.96. I went ahead and grabbed 2 of those. The total for 2 is going to come to $7.92. Getting back 3 on Ibotta, 3 on checkout 51, and 3 on inbox dollars makes them both $1.08 moneymaker. So I also grabbed the Colgate toothbrushes. It's on the foam ones, the foaming clean ones. It's the 1 count. Price at $5.22. This store doesn't have any. I did try this deal as well. So I grabbed a total of 2 of them. I paid $10.44. I did get back $4 on Ibotta, which is 2 for each. 3 on checkout 51, 3 on inbox dollars, making them only 22 cents. We're also grabbing the Arm & Hammer again as well, priced at $3.98. I only have 3 more printables left. So I'm going to go ahead and do this deal. They're not free like last time, but it's still not a bad deal if you want to hit your bonus. And so I grabbed one of them, priced at $3.98, use a $2 printable. You'll end up paying $198, getting back $150 on Ibotta, making them only 48 cents each. So the Axe deal did pop back up on Ibotta for $6. It works on the ones that are $6.88. I was able to catch this deal as well for Walmart Rewards, and so I went ahead and grabbed 1 for each, making them only 88 cents each. Here I am trying to find a spot where there's nobody at. This store is so crowded right now, you guys. This time of the year, I hate being at the store. But this is the last deals on the Zarbee sleep. My best deals shared this deal on her last Walmart video. There's a $5 OTC. I'll have a link in the description, or the Google Doc. This one is priced at $5.68. The $5 OTC will bring it down to 68 cents. Getting back 3 on Ibotta will make this a $2.32 moneymaker. So this is the last deal. It's on the Oikos protein shakes. One of you guys let me know about this, and you said it's the best shake you ever had. I said I'd try them. All right, so the price is $97. There's $4 peelies. I'll have to show you what one looks like. I have one at home. I got this deal yesterday. So with the $4 peelie, you'll pay $5.97. Get back 3 on Ibotta. Makes it $2.97 for a 4-pack. Now I hope they're good because I got 1 chocolate and 1 of the salty caramel. And so, yeah.
OMG, you guys, this haul worked out so amazing. Look at this. Like, look at this, you guys. Can I get some fire emojis in the comments? This was fire haul right here, y'all.
What
This
you
is
don't
right
see
here.
on the table is on the floor. I couldn't make space for these chips on this table if my life depended on it. Well, maybe I probably would have if my life had depended on it, but obviously it did not. So that's why you see it on the floor. I picked up 5 more chips. I still have, I think, 3 or 4 that I might do. I'm not sure yet. I think it's the Siete and the 2 kettles. And then all of the Old Spice, because some of y'all was like, dang, you must, yeah, I must have. Every time it reset, I did it. And I could have really did it more, but if I had did it every single day, then my stores really wouldn't have had any. And so I'm happy I didn't do it any more than I did, but it didn't reset today. So I'm pretty sure as of now, it's gone. It's gone until it comes back. And so, yeah. Listen. Everything here worked out good. All coupons I used scanned. This was the $4 peely off the Oikos, which scanned. Y'all know my favorite cashier is myself. So I always go to self-checkout. That printable scanned. I used 2 of them. I wanted to try using one of the printables for the Zycam on the second product, but I didn't. I just didn't want to mess nothing up. But I did resubmit the receipt to see if I can get the $4 offer to attach. So I'll let you guys know how that works out. Didn't work that $4 into my numbers though, because I'm not sure if I'll get it. I did have more Arm & Hammer coupons, so I did grab 4 of those. The Baker's Joy coupon, that one has been scanning. The Purcell coupon, that one scanned as well. I think those are the only coupons that I had today. Airborne was fire. Okay, fire. The reason why you see that box, which obviously that one doesn't work, it's the 21 counts that work to make this deal amazing. And the store that I went to, they only had 3 left of the bottles, so I just scanned the bottle one 4 times. It's the same price, so whatever. Fight me in the comments. Or don't. That's what I did. So with this right here, the Airborne, the $12 offer it's attaching to the 21 count, which is $8.37. Right? If you scan it in the app, the $12 offer and the $7 offer attaches. The way that I did it is I only clipped the $12 offer. I submit my receipt. Once it cleared, I resubmitted my receipt to the same app for the $7 offer, and that one too cleared. So basically I did inbox dollars and easy bucks, and I got the $12 offer and the $7 offer to attach on both, making that like a $21 moneymaker, I want to say, for each set. I did Walmart rewards as well for that, which is cool. All of my Walmart rewards today went good. I'm gonna start putting my Walmart reward video in the description, because I always get questions, and that video was recorded a month ago. I don't need to do another video for Walmart rewards unless something changes, all right? And so if you have any questions about Walmart rewards, there's a video in the description. I had a lot of receipts, so I'm not even gonna bore you with showing them, because it's a lot. Tons and tons of transactions, trips, and so yeah. I'm gonna try to be quick though, because it's already getting dark in here. And so, with that being said, everything that you see here, it retails $331.29. We had $30 in coupons. Brought the out-of-pocket down to $301.29. My tax was high, y'all. My tax was almost $25, $24.89. But with me cashing out for PayPal, it basically paid for my tax. I cashed out $25.55, which is crazy because the last time I cashed out, it was $25.05. And so tax is high. All right, so we walk away with $91.75 from Ibotta. Checkout 51, $68. Upromise, $58. Inbox dollars, $49. Easy Bucks, $41. PayPal, $25.55. Walmart Rewards was $18. Field Agent, $9. Swagbucks, $8. And last but not least, Fetch Reward was $6.20. So we walk away with a total of $374.50, you guys, in rebates, making everything you see here free plus a $73.21 moneymaker. That's crazy. And so, yeah, so with that being said, if you've made it to the end, I appreciate you watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye, guys.